Hi, I'm Lakshmi. I'm here to present before you the fitness and lifestyle series by Habitatschools. Children these days are not able to be active because of the pandemic. So I am here coming up with a fitness challenge. All that we need is a chair or a bed or a sofa. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's start with the challenge. Keep your leg up. Now slowly go down and then slowly come up, all the way up. To make it more challenging, let's do 10 times on the right and 10 times on the left. I hope you understood the challenge. When you're doing it, take a small video clip and then post it on your social media and don't forget to tag us. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.